2-inch target. CVA Hunter in 4570, Kona scope on it. Going to be shooting the Hornady 300 grain hollow point, my hand load, 100 yards. Well, I put some bedding material in the stock again, and yesterday I almost got a good group, got to stand close, so I got a little bit more bedding in there, and hopefully this does it. So got my scope set up a little bit better. I don't know how I had it so wrong before. Oh, action popped open. That's great. Maybe my action is a problem. I'm lucky I'm hitting that cardboard, I'll tell you that. I'm going to assume that other one hit right here. So that should be good. I'm going to adjust to the right spot and I'll be set for hunting season.